Hi everyone. Welcome to the presentation of Gordie Howe International Bridge project presentation. So here I'm with my team, and it was a little hard for us to get in contact. And in initial stages, we had a challenging time where we were not able to uh, get discussion and everything. So it was a little hard for us to get in contact and discuss about the project details. But eventually, we got everything done, and we divided our role into five major parts. And as we divided, first, it comes to be the person who is taking the lead for research, which is led by Bhargav Naidu Inturi, who is responsible for the connecting of background research and gathering key information. And next comes the content writer, who led by Shiga Kumar Deshetty, who will take the research findings and write the key important points and highlighting the most important information, which will help us to go in for the situations. And next is the editor, handled by Krishna Kumar Chella, who edited the content provided by the writer and references, and it polished into a final output. Next is presentation designer, which is led by Lakshmi Kumar Chinnaboni, uh, who will create and design the slides and made a presentation material to the best representative project and details. And next, the last one will be me, who lead all this to make the role taken by me and to overcome the entire process, ensuring all the compared finalizing the presentation where we can have some clear output. So when it comes to the project, let me go with the details of the project. As you can see the slide one over here, we took some. One second, I'm really sorry, please. Yeah. So as we start on to the slides, okay. Yep. Here you can see the slide one. Everyone, we were excited to present the Gobis Howe International Bridge project today. The important inflations of and will be connected to the Detroit to USA with Minnesota and Canada, strengthen the economy and social ties between those two countries. This presentation will take you through the project and which will help us for the challenging details faced by the ministry, and we have achieved and benefits with the bridge, where we have been equipping some details of major points like overall objectives and project information, success factors, and scopes, which are the main points which we are going to take the lead on. And next will be the timeline and budget. Next will be coming to the environmental completions and community engagement, which will be later on figured by the budget and the risk factors. Everything of these will be covered in the further meeting. And the next points will be taken over by Shekhar. Shekhar, can you please take over the meeting and explain us the remaining details of the overall objectives, please?
Okay, the next thing, the project initiation, success factors, and the scope. Several critical success factors have been identified for the successful execution of this project. The first thing, stakeholder management. The involvement of multiple stakeholders, including governments, businesses, communities, and environmental organizations, makes communication and collaboration to a top priority. Aligning an interest and keeping everyone informed ensures smooth projects. The second thing, timeline and the budget. With an estimated project cost of CAD 5.7 billion, staying with a high rated and deadline. Sorry, give me a second. Yeah, staying with a budget and adhering to deadlines is crucial. Financial discipline and precious planning will avoid delays or cost overruns. The next thing, environmental compliance. The project is designed to comply with the strict environmental regulations to minimize the impact on local ecosystems, including ensuring that the water quality and the air quality are not compromised. The fourth thing, community managed engagement. Engaging with the local communities on the both sides of the border ensures that residents are not only informed but also supportive of the project. Addressing community concerns early on allows project to proceed without opposition or misunderstandings. The scope of the project includes a 6-lane cable stayed bridge connecting to the US and Canada, new ports are of entry on the both the US and the Canadian sites, improving border management, major upgrades to the Michigan I-75 interchange to handle increased traffic volumes. The last thing, pedestrian and cycle pathways encouraging sustainable modes of transport. Thank you, for giving late. And from the next one, what's my friend Bhargav will take the lead. Come on,
Yeah,
Bhargav.
this is Bhargav, and I'm going to explain about project figures and budget. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a large-scale infrastructure project with a total budget of 5.7 billion Canadian dollars. The bridge will length a span of 2.5 kilometers inland with a main span of 853 meters. This will make it one of the longest cable-stayed bridges in North America. The project is on schedule and is expected to be completed by the end of 2024. This represents a major achievement in project planning and execution, as large infrastructure projects of this nature often face significant delays. And my friend continues with the rest of these slides.
Krishna, I would like
Yeah,
you to take on.
yeah. I want to take the key stakeholders and initial risks. Several key stakeholders are involved in the ambitious project, like government agencies. Both the Canadian and US federal governments are heavily invested in the bridge, given its importance to national economics. And the local communities are in Detroit and Windsor have been closely involved as the bridge will impact their daily lives and local economics. And the various organizations have ensured that the project meets environmental standards and particularly concerning air quality and water bodies and wildlife, and also the trade organizations, business that depends on it, cross-border trade have supported the project as it will reduce delays and improve trade efficiency. And in the early phase of the project, several initial risks were identified. Environment concerns addressing the potential impact on wildlife habits and the local environment was a top priority. And by work on the budget owners with $1 million project, the risk of cost increases is always present to mitigate this contingency budget and has been put in place. And the regularity delays securing the permits and approaches from the government required careful navigation of regularity process. This was addressed through proactive collaboration with the authorities in both countries. And next we'll be taking Lakshminarayan.
Thank you so much, Kishan. Hello, everyone. This is Lakshminarana Chennaboyana. I am going to explain about project execution, major accomplishments. Several important milestones have been achieved in the project execution phases. The first one is property acquisition. The necessary property on both the US and Canadian sites has been successfully acquired. This required negotiations with numerous property owners, businesses, and local governments. And second one is pedestrian bridge design finalized. A key part of the project was finalizing the designing for pedestrian pathways, ensuring that the bridge is accessible and safe for walkers and cyclists. These pathways reflect the project's commitment to promoting sustainability transformation options. And the last one is foundation work began. Construction is well underway with the commencement of foundation work on the slides of the border. This marks a major step forward in the project as strong foundations are critical to the long-term success and safety of the bridge. At the next slides, my friend gonna explain.
Okay, thank you, Lakshman. Now I'm going to explain the project success evolution. This project has been executed in accordance with the PM-BOK wide standards, following a structured project management approach that ensures effective planning, risk management, and monitoring. The use of these best practices has allowed the project to stay on track, meeting both time and budget expectations. One of the standard achievements of the Gordie Howe International Bridge project is commitment to sustainability. For example, the use of energy efficient LED lighting throughout the bridge will help reduce energy consumption and the project's overall carbon footprint. The project has received recognition for its environmental and social governance efforts, including winning the prestigious 2023 P3 Award for Environmental, Social, and Governance Performance. Okay, from next onwards, my friend, Vinod Reddy will continue the. Vinod, can you take the lead?
Yeah, thanks for that, my brother. So, as you can see, this is these. I think we almost covered every main points, which are in mostly uh, which will be affected in most of the projects and everything. So, I hope everyone did their best. And do you guys have any of the relevant points where we can add on? Everyone, you guys, do you think we can add on any points, or how was? What do you think about this actually? So, about the bridge and everything.
Yeah, I think we don't need to add any points. From up to now, we have covered the basic things and
So
that's
almost
everything good.
we got everything into this. Yes, right. Of course,
Yeah,
I even feel the same. Just I would like to make sure that we have done everything which way is
yeah.
helping us to get these points done.
Thank
And
you, guys. I mean, thank you,
it
Bhargav.
was
Thank you,
really nice
Kishan.
that we had a hard time everywhere to get in contact and do everything. But I really appreciate everyone that we did everything in the best way, hopefully. And it's going to be one of the good in project works which we have been working together, and everyone feels the same, and hopefully everyone acknowledges the same as too. And when it comes to the presentation closings, this is based on a research and information from the multiple sources, including a 2023 paperwork by Martin Yusuf. So this is not an just individual accomplishments or else a bordered knowledge of us. It is from every sources where we can get it, and we even try to get everything from the best. So I think everyone is satisfied with the presentation and everything. So thank you all for your time and attention. We hope this presentation has provided you the clear understandings of the Gordie International Bridge project and the importance for the both Canada and US. We are happy to have any questions, but it's not possible for us to get anything right now. But you guys can just ping on the video, or you can make a comment so that we can replay and we can make sure that we have everything towards us. And that's the thanks for everyone, and bye from our team. And this
you.
group is signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshman. Thank you, Vinod. Thank you, Kishan. Thank you, Bhargav. Thank you.
Thanks to
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank
That's a
you.
really good one. We can applaud
you.
for ourselves. That was
Yeah,
a
we
good
can
one.
close for this. Yeah,
Come on,
thank you.
guys.
Come on.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's really nice. Let's end
See
the
you.
meeting for now. See you guys.
See you.
Bye bye for
See
now.
you.
Yeah.